Pwede niyo po ba sa amin ikwento at paano po ba pumanaw po si Miss Provincia? Any last moments with her?
She died in her sleep actually, which I'm very thankful for because, hindi na nahirapan, hindi na hospital, hindi siya lingering illness, di ba? So, parang sa akin okay.
Meron po bang underlying condition? Like maybe, was it heart condition? Kasi pag natutulog po tapos bigla na lang ping...
Mom is always at the heart. Ever since.
Tsaka lately, syempre, yung memory, ganyan, di ba? Pero health-wise, okay naman siya. Ayun, so...
But we don't know if she had an attack during her sleep. Okay, I don't know. I mean, and it doesn't matter na naman if
Hindi
that's
po
the...
namin ilalaman. Basta she was sleeping. A million thanks sa lahat.
Lahat. Yeah.
Si Mami very generous kasi yan. So,
Too generous to
a
afford
million
na.
thanks sa lahat.
Yeah.
Tsaka a million thanks din sa lahat ng yun na that pray for her at saka yung mga well-wishers.
Ang mensahe kang sasabihin mo sa mami mo na hindi mo nasabi.
Yan. Na hindi ko nasabi. Nasabi ko naman siguro sa kanya lahat. Pero just to tell her how much I love her and to thank her for everything. And to tell her that I will continue to honor her by the way I work, the way I live, by telling people how wonderful she is, and just to say thank you so much for bringing it me and all in the best way that she could. I will miss her so much. I will miss how wonderful she smelled. She smelled so good. She always smelled so good. But she lived a good life, and I would give a standing ovation to her. Everything that she's achieved in her career and the way na she carried herself always with so much grace, despite minsan nahihirapan, minsan may mga trials, pero she would always say tomorrow is another day. Ang problema nandyan, minsan nandyan ang solusyon, minsan wala. But in the meantime, hold your head high and do the best that you can.